open the drying oven and put in the material to dry. Close the door. Turn on the power switch. The temperature controller will enter the working mode after a self-test program of about 4 seconds. Press the Set button and set the required temperature with buttons of arrow keys and reverse button Shift keys. Press the Set button again, and set the required time by pressing buttons of arrow keys and reverse button Shift keys. Then press the Set button again to go back to the working interface. After a while, it displays End on the interface, and hold both and for 4 seconds to restart. Turn off the power, open the door and take out the dried materials.